In this lecture, we'll learn about how to design your chart. So here in the menu bar, we can see that there is a option for chart design. After clicking on this, you can see there are many designs of this chart. So by clicking any designs, you can change the design. So I am clicking here, this design has been changed into a black background. So you can change here from this, like that. You can change in different ways. You can change your designs. So very easily you can change the designs of the charts. So if I would say that in manually, if you wanted to create those graphs, it will take hours of time. So it is very, very important to be efficient and productive in your daily life. So by knowing these uh, Excel options, by knowing these things from Excel, you can be able to be more efficient, more productive in your works. And by creating these sorts of graphical data, you can take your decisions properly. You can take wise decisions, calculative decisions for the betterment of the company or your personal life or any things you want to do by creating these sorts of charts. So that's all for this lecture.